Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be unboxing my subscription box from Cookie Sticker Co. So this is what the box looks like. I won't show you the other side because it has my address and information on there. And then this is the sides. There's that. There's that. So this is the drip box. Now let's get it open and see what we've got. So, and I will put all the information for Cookie Sticker Co. in the description box below. But here we go. Ooh, I like the tissue paper. That's really cool. So there's that. Let's take everything out. Looks like we got mermaid colors going on here. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of these boxes. I hate to just get rid of them, but okay. Oh, look at these. I'm gonna move this out of the way so it won't be glare the whole time. It says drip and it's individual paper clips. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I've never seen anything like that. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's put that aside. Then we have, I'm trying to do the smaller things first. This pen. Oh, here we go. So, and this is the pattern. It's similar to the pattern on the box. And that's what it looks like. This cap fits on the end like that. Okay. Very nice. Heavy, good quality. Let's do this because I don't know what it is. So we got the geometric shapes, the hollow foil. Let's see. What this is. Oh, this is sticky notes. Okay. These are big. Oh, gotta take that off. Just want to see how it is to write on this. Oh, this pen writes great. Wow. Let's write over them. It's not bad. It writes well over the geometric shapes as well. So yeah, these are giant sticky notes. Okay. Then what is this? This is die cut stickers or sticker flakes. So let's see. Even though someone told me the name of the girls, I don't remember. I'm horrible with names. I don't remember the names of things. So, but this is what they look like. Oh, that one is really cute. She got her boom box. Okay. And then let's put these back because I don't want to lose them. Those are so cute. I'm just trying to think, how will I use those? Okay. Then this is the stickers. Okay, well, it shows you on the back what's inside. But oh, she's got on roller skates. Love it already. Okay. I don't need plastic for that. I really like that these little I don't know, pouches or folders that the stickers come in. I think that's really nice, a nice touch. Okay, so these are the full boxes with hollow foil. And I think these are vinyl stickers. So this is some more full boxes with some half boxes. So all of these are individual stickers. You get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stickers. Then you have these little weekend stickers as well. I gotta figure out a way to use these. I can't tell what stickers are on here. Let's see. So it's gonna be kind of like a surprise when you pull up a sticker, but I guess I could pull the backing off. Not the backing, the negative space off. I don't know. Then I would be able to see what they are. I just want to experiment and see. Nope, that's not working on that corner. So I think I could just pull that. Oh, nope, that won't work. But I do kind of know what shapes they are. They're like rectangular shapes with inverted rounded corners. Let me take one up so you can see. So like that. I don't know if all of them are like that. I don't remember. No, I think we got some squares, like some bullet point pieces, some flags. Okay, I can see these. We got some teardrops. So that's 2 rows of teardrops, some arrows. I think these are flags. No, this is some kind of half circle. So it fits in the corner. I'm gonna have to use these so I can know what's what. Then this is a complete, nope, that's a corner circle. And then this is where the boxes start. Yeah, so that's what's there. Some teardrops, some arrows, some circular corner boxes, and then the rectangular box that I showed you. Okay, so enough of that. Then this is some date covers. Got some drip box stickers and some checklists with the hollow foil. Then here are some more stickers. These look like they're on like a clear glossy. Yeah, it's a clear sticker of the little dolls. Then these are the emoji doll heads and some drips. These are clear stickers too. So, no, they're not. They're just on the vinyl. They're not clear. Okay, so that's it for the stickers. So we got purples, blues, and teal with some pink. All cool colors. Okay, so I'm gonna slide this in here, and I'm gonna slide this in here, and I'm gonna stick this on here. Keep everything together because I don't really want to keep it in the box. I like that. Okay, so last but not least, we have the washi. Okay, I have no idea what this washi is. I tried not to peek and see what people that already had their box were showing. All I knew is what the box looked like, the color scheme and everything like that. That's all I know. So this is the journaling card. It's got hollow foil. So it looks like, okay. So this is the washi. Let's get it together. Oh, so that's teal on teal with the teal foil. I hope that's coming through well with the packaging on it. I don't want to take it out of the plastic because that's kind of how I keep up with whether I've swatched it or not. So, and then we have this one with the same geometric patterns that are on the box. Get rid of that. And it has a blue foil rickrack. What do you call that? On the top of the tape. Let's see. Then we have this one again with the geometric patterns in the background and the purple drip at the top. Purple drip foil. Then, oh, I like this one. I think it's probably my favorite. I think that's a purple in the background. It's really dark. It's got to be purple. I don't think it's black with purple drip. The purple foil drip. So that is the washi that came. So we got the blue, teal washi and the purples. So that's all the washi that came. Okay, so that's it for the drip box. This is the second one. I hope you enjoyed this video, this unboxing. I'm excited to use some of this and get it swatched and get the stickers used. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.